Welcome back, and this time I'm going to I'm going to demonstrate about regular expression again. So last time you already learned about string literals, meta characters, Java character classes. Example of Java character classes is if you use this one, is match any characters, any single characters. If you're going to use something like this, it's going to match any sequence of characters. Okay, characters. It means including the empty one. Okay, including the empty, including including the empty string. Okay, including the empty string. And last time you already learned as well. Right now we're going to learn also something like this. Okay. Or let's you use something like if you put something G or T, is this one mean only G or T, single one of them? Or if you put something like this had GT inside here, it means not G or T, then any character is fine. Any character is fine, but not G or T. Okay, this one is G or T only, one of them, either one of them only. Then last time you really learned that there are 5 digits inside this regular expression, and if you put 5 like this, okay, if you put 5 like this, it is going to be very inconvenient. Let's say if you have 1,000 digits and you're going to put 1,000 D like this, it's not very convenient. So there is a convenient way to use this one. Is called quantifier. You can specify the quantifier of some appearance quantities of quantifier or quantities of digits or characters by specifying n like this. It's going to have n characters, or you can specify from n characters up until m characters, or you can specify above n characters. Okay, above n characters, so on and so forth. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, but anyway, you're going to have something like quantifier, which is used to specify the quantities or numbers of characters should appear. So instead of writing /5 /d like this, you're going to put /d, same version. But if you do have quantifier, you're going to put /d and 5 digits. Okay, 5 digits, then n. Okay, you'll see from here we can change this one into /d and 5 digits, /d and 5 digits. Okay, /d and 5 digits. If you run this one, it will match the pattern again, and if with confidence, okay, with confidence, okay. Then other things I would like to demonstrate inside regular expression for you, which is the next part inside regular expression. Besides this thing, which is I would like to show you about group capturing and back references. What I mean, group capturing and back references. You're going to capture some appearances, then of group characters, then referencing to it later. Okay, let's just give an example this way. Let's say I'm going to have some needs. Okay, I'm going to have some needs that I want to have. I want to a pattern like this. Let's say anything. Okay, then anything, then itself again, then itself again, anything and itself again, and itself again, anything and itself again. Okay, anything and itself again. Or I can specify more specifically any numbers of word characters. Okay, any numbers of word characters Okay, and it's half again. Word characters, and it's half again. Okay, and it's half again. Okay. Um, Oh, this asterisk means any characters in front. This one specified quantity. So let's say we're going to put, if you want any numbers of characters, so you can, let's say if you use any number of characters, then put this one is any characters. Okay, and you put asterisk is any numbers, maybe zero or many of them. Okay, and it's up again. So you're going to put this one. This one is a grouped, capture it as a group. Okay, in order to capture it as a group, you're going to put a parenthesis and it's up again, and this one is group number one, so you're going to put it's up again. Why do I know that one is a group number one? Okay, why do I know what that one is group number one? The way the way we numbers the groups is this way. The way we number the group is this way. Let's say if you have some patterns like A plus B plus C, like yep, yeah, yes, plus D, okay, plus E, like this. Okay, if you have a group like this, and the way we number the groups is the first group. Okay, whenever you see, you go from left to right. Whenever you see a open parenthesis, and from itself to the corresponding to the corresponding close parenthesis is a group. So this one is the first group, this one is the group number one. Okay, this one is open, and from itself to the corresponding close parenthesis, this one is the first group. Okay, this one is the first group, this one is the group number one. Okay, that's why this one you have only one parenthesis, open parenthesis. So it's and this one is corresponding. So this one is anything and it's left. Okay, then next one, if you go deep inside here, this one to its corresponding close parenthesis is the second group, the group number two. Okay, the group number two. And you're going to go to the next from left to right, and this one is a third parenthesis to its corresponding how to say corresponding close parenthesis is a third group. So this one is a third group. So this one is a third group. So it is the way that we number the groups. Okay, this is the way that we number it. That is about capturing whatever appearing inside here and referencing back to it. This one is capturing the groups, and this one back referencing. Okay, referencing it to itself again. Okay, to itself. Anything, a word character, anything. This one means anything. Sorry, this one only means anything. Okay, and itself again. Okay, if you want to do anything of word character, and it's up again, and it's up again, it's going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this. Okay, it's going to be something like word character. You know, put /w and any numbers of it. Okay, and it's up again, and it's up again. It's going to be something like this. Okay, if you want a word characters. Okay, if you want a word characters. Okay. Now let's just use Java to demonstrate thing about group capturing. Okay, group capturing the groups or giving the parentheses and numbers it. Okay, and back referencing to it by giving that numbers that you would like to reference. So let's just give an example again about this one is group capturing and back reference. Or yeah. Group capturing and back reference. It's just group capturing. Okay, and of course back reference of this is okay. So this one you're going to have a string, and you're going to describe this string pattern string as any any characters, numbers of characters, and it's up again, and it's up again any characters. This one is going to represent a single characters, and this one any numbers of it. Okay, and it's supposed to be appearing like it's up again. Okay, it's up again. And then this one you go, oh, this slash is going to be double slash inside Java, and you're going to convert into patterns. Patterns equal to patterns. Okay, patterns. Okay, dot compare, and you're going to compare it from pattern string, and you're going to have string input as, let's just say par. Okay, let's just say par. Okay, par, and we're going to we're going to how to say get a matcher. Okay, a matcher. Okay, a matcher. Okay, matcher equal to pattern dot. Okay, pattern dot get the matches from the input, and if matcher dot. Okay, if matches dot find. Okay, if matches dot find, you're going to say found, and it matches. Okay, it matches. You're going to have matcher dot the groups. Okay, so it's going to say this one matches what groups. Okay, what groups. Else you're gonna display doesn't match. Just say doesn't match. Enough. Okay, doesn't match. So if you run this par and you see that par is match. Okay, this par is match. This par is match, and you'll see this is going to match with the first par. Okay, with the first par, and one here is back reference to that group itself, so it's another par here. Okay, so if you put par up, okay, par up, this one is not gonna match. Okay, it's far, and it matches to nothing. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, it doesn't match that any groups there. Okay, it doesn't match any group there. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, I want it to match the whole thing. Let's say I'm gonna start with this one, and with this one, and let's just run this. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, that one is what we want to. Okay, except it's par, it's gonna match. Okay, it's gonna match. Okay, and if you want a word characters, let's say you're going to put here a word character, so //w. Okay, any numbers of it, a word characters. Okay, word characters, and you can if you do something like this, it's gonna match as well. Okay, found, and it match nothing. Okay, because this may match the quantity. This may match. Okay, this may match any sequence of characters for the quantifiers. Okay, this one's supposed to put in the quantifiers. Okay, this one's supposed to put inside quantifiers. Sorry for that. Okay, this one's supposed to put at the quantifier, and the quantifier you can have a plus sign. This one is gonna match any one or more sequence of more characters. Okay, this one, it means it doesn't include the empty string there, because it must be at least one characters. Okay, it must be at least one characters. Must be at least one character. So if you put it this way, it's not gonna match. Okay, so if you put this way, and you have par, it's gonna match, because you do have characters over there. Okay, you have characters over there, and if they say it must be word characters, and you put, let's say question, no, don't put question, put something which is not word characters. Let's say put this one, okay, this one, and it's after again, and if you execute this one, it doesn't match. Okay, but if you put AI, okay, it's gonna match. Okay, because AI is a word characters. But if you want, if you don't say word characters, and you put like this one, if you don't want just word characters, you want anything, so it's gonna match. Okay, this one gonna match. Found. Okay, okay. So this one, it means at least one single characters, at least one single characters. Okay, and this one is any characters. This one is any characters can be matched with it. Okay, but if you want word characters, you're gonna put only word characters, something like this. This one doesn't match. Okay, So you're going to learn more about meta characters and character classes. You get it. Okay, bye bye.